For Sugar Squad, number 17 ang number 3 Monilla, number 1 Abot, Juanitas number 18, and Civilian number 24. Parehas lang. It's a tie. Parehas lang silang walang uniform. Incomplete yani. Incomplete. Ayun, tabigan. Ayun na, sikat. Pupukol ng tres. Tapos, uy, pasa pala yung sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Ayun, basket count. Number 1 Abot. $14 to shoot. Milyones. 8 Manggera. May foul. Tumabit. Number 18 Juanitas. Juanitas, first personal foul. Nang tiro pasok, namin pa Manggera. Lastro. Ayun, basket, namin pa Manggera. Ayun na ang back to ang the floater, sablay, ang ulit. Basket count coming from Ang. And number 26 receiving the basket. Ayun na, sikat. 14. Paso Manggera. Paso Bunsalan. Milyana is open. 5. Pupukol ng tres. Ayun, good. Ayun na, tapikan. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 77, sikat. First personal foul. Second team foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Thank you. The bonus shot Sablay. He got for the rebound. Pass.
May siya doon. Huwag yan. Doon ang siya, doon.
Ayun na, Rabadon receiving the basket. Open for 3. Sumablay. Ayun na, rebound. Ang itinawid. Paso Juanitas. Ayun lang. 14. Pupukol ng tres. Overshoots. Rebound. Abot. Sablay. 5.8 to shoot. 5.8 to shoot. 5.8 to shoot. Foul number 25. Pushing from behind. 14 to shoot. Ayun, still. Ayun na, sikat. Angat na, bitiwan. Dumulas, Manggera for the rebound. Back to sikat, open. Sumablay. And put back by number 26. Foul number 18, Juanitas. Second personal foul. Second team foul. And Bunsalan for the bonus shot.
Shoutout po sa lahat ng viewers. Paki-share lang po yung ano natin live. Share, like, and comment.
Sumablay, rebound, Monilla. Monilla paso ang 7 minutes and 30. Score 6-4 in favor of Sugar Squad. Ay nabubukol ng 3. Sablay. Foul number 1, abot. First personal foul, third team foul. Ay na, Bunsalan. Paso na ba doon? Back to Bunsalan. 14 to shoot. Manguera all day to shoot for 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Ayun na. Sevilla. Oy, nice steal coming from Rabadon. Yun lang. Di makayoko. Monilla. Pinasa pa. Abot. Sablay. Rebound ang 10 to shoot. Ayun, napaganda pa. And 1. Basket count. Foul number 25. Millanes. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Sub. Palit. The bonus shot is good coming from Juanites. He scored 9-4 in favor of Sugar Squad. Ayan na, sigat.
Sirato.
Sila yan.
Punsa lang, paso Rabadon. 8 to shoot, Rabadon for 3. Sumablay, and lang, last pass, sigat.
Mamaya tayo. Tatlo na ako. Dito ka mag-line.
Full charge yan. Full charge yung pala.
Ipanin mo muna dito dyan. Ipanin mo muna sa kabila.
Substitution. Bubukol ng 3. Bang! Sikat for 3. And this 3-point shot is brought to you by Gandur, our major sponsor. Ayun na, binawi, bubukol ng 3. Bang! Ayun na, Punsalan attacking the defense. Basket count. Ang dribbling the ball. 5 minutes and 15. Ayun na. Ganda ng assist. Basket count coming from Makusi. Fourteen to shoot. Rabadon. Ganda ng assist. Sikat. Straight away shot is good for 2. Coming from Sikat. He scored 14-11, 4 minutes and 44. Ayan na ang dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. Sevilla 10. Meron ng foul na itinawag kay number 06, Librea. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Number 18. 14 to shoot. Ayun na, Juanites. Paso Sevilla for 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Tapikan. Ayun na. Rabadon. Paso Punsalan. And Punsalan dribbling the ball. Punsalan attacking the middle. Basket count. Coming from Punsalan for 2. He scored 14-13. 1 point lead for team Sugar Squad. And signaling the play. 14. Sevilla for 3. Sumablay. Rebound. Monilla. Ayun. Good ball yan. And Sikat. Oh. Ayan. Tingnan mo ulit shot clock. Pagdampot mo ng bola. Oh. Ayan na, Juanites, open. Sumablay, Monilla. Oy, nice dig. Kami from Rabadon. Ayan na. Sikat. Sumablay. Oh. Mapipas ang paso Magusi. Ayan na. Monilla for 2. 3 minutes and 12. 16-13. 3-point lead. Bunsalan. Sikat for 3. Sumablay. Oh. Foul number 09. Pushing foul. Substitution. Palit-palit.